Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Picsart application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open App Store. In the search bar, type in Picsart and search. From the search result, look for the Picsart AI Photo Video Editor app and then tap on Install or the Get button to download the app on your iOS device. Wait for the app to download, which will take a few minutes, and once it is done, you can open up the app and get started with the editing. So that's how you easily download and install Picsart application on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.